Magandang araw sa lahat. Panibagong lesson ng ating pag-aaralan ngayon. Ito ang tinatawag nating remainder theorem. It is said that in algebra, the polynomial remainder theorem or Little Bézier theorem, named after Etienne Bézier, is an application of Euclidean division of polynomials. Translate na natin sa pinakamadaling paraan na maiintindihan ng lahat. So, natapos tayo sa division na long method. Pagkatapos, pinag-aralan natin ang synthetic division. So, ang remainder theorem ay tumutukoy lamang sa remainder mismo na kung saan kahit hindi na binanggit kung ano yung quotient, hinihingi lamang kung ano ang magiging remainder ng polynomial after ng ating pagdi-divide. So para maintindihan natin na mas maayos, tingnan natin sa isang halimbawa. Kung ating i-divide ang negative x cube, okay, ang negative x cube plus 6x minus 7 by x minus 2, andito na mismo yung ating solutions ng long method and then synthetic division. So meron tayong video tungkol dito sa long method and synthetic division. Pwede nyo na lang hanapin dito sa channel na to. And then mapapansin natin na parehong negative 3 ang kanyang remainder. So we have negative 3 here and negative 3 also dito sa ating long method. So syempre pareho din naman ang kanyang magiging quotient. Pero ano ba ang kinaibahan ng remainder theorem? Andito yan sa next slide natin. Kung halimbawa, ito pa rin yung given natin, x cubed plus 6x minus 7 divided by x minus 2. If we will be having this as p of x o yung polynomial natin, kaya siguro ito ay having a variable p stands for polynomial, but of course itong p natin ito can be change into any letter from the alphabet. Sometimes we are using, or most of the time ginagamit natin dyan ay f to represent function. So f of x or function of x. As of now, p of x muna ang ating gagamitin. Ang ibig sabihin lang, what will be the remainder of the polynomial with the use of x is equal to 2. Now, itinuro na natin nung nakaraan kung saan galing ang value ng x. And that is from the divisor, which after equated to 0, we ended up with the value of x is equal to 2. So, ang ibig lang sabihin, gamit ang dividend natin, kailangan nating ipalit sa bawat variable x ang value which is equal to 2. So ang negative x cube ay magiging negative 2 raised to 3 after na mapalitan ang x ng 2. Okay? And then yung 6x natin na positive is now 6 times positive 2. And we also have this negative 7 as part of our equation. So by simplifying the part of the equations that we have here, ang ating negative 2 raised to 3 ay kung aalisin muna natin yung negative sign, this will be 2 times 2 times 2. So we have here is equivalent to 8. And isama natin ang negative sign. So ibig sabihin negative 8 ang ating first term. How about itong ikalawa nating term, it's 6 times 2. So obviously, that's equivalent to 12. And yung last term natin is negative 7. So paano natin isinisimplify itong mga terms na may mga magkakaibang signs, negative and then positive? Una, pagsamahin natin yung mga terms na may pareho ng sign. So we have here a negative 8 and a negative 7. So combining those terms will be equivalent to negative 15. Tandaan, pareho sila ng sign and we performed addition, kaya negative pa rin ang ating sign. And plus 12, if we will be simplifying this part at i-add natin, definitely will be having or will be ending with negative 3. Dahil kapag nag-add tayo na magkaiba ng sign na number, binabawas natin mismo yung mga numbers and then kinokopya natin yung sign ng kung saan ang ating number ay mas malaki. So pag tiningnan natin ang 15 and 12 without looking at the sign, if they are both positive, mas malaki yung 15. So kung tingnan natin ang sign na negative, ay nasa 15, so negative yung final answer natin. So it means P of 2 is equal to negative 3. Na dun sa una nating ibinigay, sa una nating example, makikita natin na ang mga naging remainder lang dyan ay negative 3 din. So parehas na naging sagot. Okay, maliwanag yon. Ikalawang example, and by the way, mapapansin nyo na yung ating term, hindi na tayo nagdagdag ng 0x raised to 2. Dahil hindi na naman natin kailangan kapag nagkaroon tayo ng 0x raised to 2 at yung x na yun ipapalitan natin ng 2. Hindi rin tayo magkakaroon ng equivalent na makakaapekto dun sa equation dahil ang 0x kapag naging 0 times 2 is 0 pa din. So hindi na natin yung isinama dito. Unlike the solutions dun sa ating synthetic division and long division, sinasama pa natin to. Okay? Next example at huli na rin. So pansinin natin that I used here the variable f to signify f of x, or sometimes na ang basa dyan ay function of x. Ang given natin dito ay x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 6. And then f of 3 ang ating isosolve. Ibig sabihin lang kung ito ay division na long method or synthetic division, ang ating divisor niyan ay x minus 3. Okay? So let us proceed to the solutions. Isusulat lang natin ang f of x and then yung ating dividend na given. Of course, the value of x is there. X is equal to 3. And then after that, substitution ang ating gagawin. Papalitan natin lahat ang variable x, ng x cubed, ng x squared, ng negative 5x. Papalitan natin ng value which is equal to positive 3. So the equation will now become f of 3 sa pamamagitan ng substitution, naging 3 na rin yan, is equal to 3 raised to 3 plus 3 squared minus 5 times 3. And we have here minus 6. So kapag sinimplify natin, 3 cubed or 3 raised to 3 is equivalent to 3 times 3 times 3. So that is 27. And then 3 squared here is equal to 9. And negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. At wag nating kalimutan yung ating constant term na negative 6. Ngayon, meron tayong dalawang positive, dalawang negative. Ang sabi nga natin nung una, pagsamahin natin kung ano yung mga numbers na magkakapareho ng sign. So we'll be dealing here with 27 and 9 na parehong positive, and then 15 and 6 na negative. If we combine those numbers, magiging 36 ang positive, at ang negative natin is 21. And obviously, we have 36 minus 21 is equal to 15. So, ibig sabihin, kapag dinivide natin ang x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 6 by x minus 3, makakakuha tayo ng 15 as our remainder. So, yun yung tinatawag nating remainder theorem. It focuses more on what we call remainder. Kahit na hindi na natin nakuha yung ating quotient, remainder lang ang hinahanap. Okay? So maraming salamat at sana may natutunan kayo ngayon. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa next video natin. Bye-bye and God bless.